Hello guys, today I will teach you how to troubleshoot a humming power amplifier. So let's try it first. Wow! So the tools, materials, and equipment that we need to use is the soldering pump, the multi-tester, a screwdriver, a lead, and a soldering iron. So let's start. So the component that we have to check first is the filter capacitor and also the power transistors, because they are the one who amplifies the signals. So the first thing to do is to look for some burned components or papers or rusty components and etc. that can make the system malfunction. And now we already find it. So now we can see that there is a lost contact to the terminals of the main filter capacitors, and now we have to repair it. Come on. So now we change the capacitor with the same value as the original and put this to the circuit. So since it is already done, so we have to check it and try it if it will work. Yeah, okay, Kyle. Loading. It is still loading.
Lugay ko na to. Pa! Paano?
Okay, Kene. It's already done. So guys, thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.